Good morning, world!
Whoa, Hannah, the microphone is sensitive. You are going to blow people's eardrums out.
I can't help it. It's episode 2. Welcome to the English Playground, everybody. I am Hannah, and I am currently drinking my 3rd espresso.
I can tell. And I'm Adam. I have had 0 espressos, and I am regretting everything right now.
Oh, come on, Grumpy Cat. Tell the people why we are here. Why the playground?
Because you act like a child?
Hey! No.
Okay, serious moment for 1 second. We call this the English playground because traditional learning is, well, it's boring. It's painful. It's like eating dry toast without butter.
Exactly. We don't want you stressing over grammar charts. We want you to hang out with us, eavesdrop on our conversations, laugh at our mistakes.
Mostly laugh at Hannah's mistakes.
I heard that. But yes, the goal is immersion. We want you to pick up phrases naturally. So, Adam, what is on the menu today?
Today is day 1 of the 100-day challenge, and we are starting with a survival kit.
Ooh, sounds dangerous. Do I need a knife?
No knife, you need vocabulary. We are covering the phrases you need to survive 3 major things: waking up, dating disasters, and work stress.
The Holy Trinity of Misery.
Speak for yourself. I love waking up.
Liar. You look terrible right now.
Thank you. And you know what? You set me up perfectly for the first phrase. Hannah, look at me. I'm beat.
You look beat.
Okay, listeners, pause. Phrase number 1. I'm beat. B-E-A-T.
Tell them what it means, Grandpa.
It means I am exhausted. I am dead tired. Now, Hannah, imagine I am a student. Why can't I just say I am tired?
You can, but I'm tired is boring. I'm beat has flavor. It sounds like life has physically beaten you up.
Which is how I feel.
Why are you so beat?
I went down a YouTube rabbit hole last night. I didn't hit the hay until 3 a.m.
Hit the hay. I love that one. It sounds so aggressive. You are punching the grass.
It's an idiom, guys. To hit the hay simply means to go to bed.
Because back in the olden days, like when Adam was born, mattresses were made of hay.
I am not that old, but yes, historically beds were grass, so you hit the hay.
So you hit the hay at 3 a.m., Adam? That is irresponsible.
I know. And when the alarm went off, I definitely got up on the wrong side of the bed.
Uh-oh, danger zone.
Listeners, if someone says they got up on the wrong side of the bed, stay away from them. It means they are grumpy, irritable, and in a bad mood for no reason.
Is that why you yelled at the coffee machine earlier?
The machine was looking at me funny. I just needed my fix.
Your fix? That's a drug term, Adam. Scandalous.
It is, but we use it for coffee. A caffeine fix is that dose of coffee you need to function. Without it, I am a zombie.
So, let's recap the morning misery list. I'm beat. I'm tired. Hit the hay. Go to sleep. Got up on the wrong side of the bed. I'm grumpy. I need a fix. Give me coffee.
I feel better just saying them. But Hannah, I might be tired, but at least I didn't have the weekend you had.
Oh, no. Do we have to talk about it?
We have to. It's educational.
Okay, fine. Listeners, get your popcorn. It's story time.
I am all ears.
I'm all ears. Good one. That means Adam is listening intently. He wants the gossip.
I live for the gossip. So, you had a date.
I did. My friend Sarah set me up on a blind date.
A blind date. For those who don't know, that is when you go on a date with someone you have never seen before. It is usually a recipe for disaster.
Usually, yes. But I was optimistic. I thought, hey, maybe we'll hit it off.
Hit it off. Great phrasal verb. It means to immediately like someone and have a great connection. Did you hit it off?
Adam, we did not hit it off. We hit a wall.
Okay, start from the beginning. Where did you meet?
We met at that fancy Italian place, Luigi's. I arrived on time, looking fabulous, obviously.
Obviously.
And I waited. And I waited. 10 minutes? 20 minutes?
No. Did he stand you up?
I thought he did.
To stand someone up, that means to agree to a date and then not show up. It is the ultimate rude move.
He didn't technically stand me up. He walked in 25 minutes late. He was wearing shorts in a fancy Italian restaurant.
Shorts? That is a red flag.
A massive red flag. Listeners, imagine a flag on a beach that says, "Danger." In dating, a red flag is a sign that this person is bad news.
Being late is a red flag. Shorts at a nice dinner? Red flag. What did he say?
He sat down, looked at me, and said, "Sup."
Sup?
Sup.
He shortened what's up to sup on a first date? Hannah, why didn't you leave?
I wanted to give him the benefit of the doubt.
You're too nice. To give the benefit of the doubt means to trust someone even though you aren't sure if you should. You gave him a chance.
I did. Big mistake. We started talking. Or, I started talking.
He wasn't a talker?
Adam, it was like pulling teeth.
Ooh, that's a painful visual.
Like pulling teeth. It means trying to get information out of someone is incredibly difficult. I asked him, "Do you like travel?" He said, "No." "Do you like food?" He said, "It's okay."
Riveting conversation.
Finally, I tried to make a joke, and he just stared at me.
Maybe he didn't get it.
No, he just didn't laugh. It was so awkward. I wanted the earth to swallow me whole.
So, fast forward to the check. The bill arrives.
The dreaded moment.
Now, traditionally, if he invited you and he was late, he should pay or at least offer.
Right. So the waiter puts the bill down. Silence. We both look at it. Then he looks at me and says, "Hey, do you mind if we go Dutch?"
He actually said the words, "Go Dutch"?
He did.
Okay, we have to explain this because it's funny. To go Dutch means to split the bill 50-50.
Which is fine. I don't mind paying. But after you're late, and you wear shorts, and you are boring?
It's the principle of the thing.
Exactly. I was fuming. I was seeing red.
But did you say anything?
No, I didn't want to make a scene.
To make a scene means to cause a public drama. Hannah is very polite.
I paid my half, I walked out, and I deleted his number immediately.
Did he ever text you?
He texted me the next day. He said, "Had a great time. Let's do it again."
Delusional. What did you do?
I ghosted him.
Ghosted, like a spirit. Poof, gone.
It means I stopped replying completely. No explanation, just silence.
Honestly, he deserved it. Hannah, I think you dodged a bullet.
Dodged a bullet.
Like in The Matrix, Neo dodging the bullets. It means you narrowly avoided a terrible situation. Imagine if you married him.
Don't. That's a nightmare. Okay, enough about my love life. It makes me sad. Let's talk about your life, Adam. How is the exciting world of whatever it is you do?
I am a content manager, thank you very much, and it is chaotic.
You look stressed. You have that crazy look in your eye.
I am snowed under.
Snowed under. Listeners, visualize Adam buried under a pile of white snow, but the snow is actually emails.
It means I have too much work. I can't breathe.
Why? Did you procrastinate? Be honest.
I did not. Well, maybe a little, but mostly it's because my boss is micromanaging me. He calls me every 2 hours to touch base.
Ugh, I hate that phrase. Touch base.
It's the worst. Hey, Adam, just wanted to touch base. It means I want to contact you briefly to check up on you.
It sounds like something aliens do. Touching base.
It does, but the real problem isn't the boss, it's my colleague, Dave.
Oh, we hate Dave. What did Dave do?
Dave is the king of slacking off.
Slacking off. This is a crucial phrasal verb for lazy people.
It means to work slowly or do nothing when you should be working. Dave sits at his desk, but he's watching TikToks.
And you're doing all the work?
Yes. And the worst part is he takes credit for it.
That gets on my nerves, just hearing about it.
It gets on my nerves. It means it annoys me. It makes me angry.
Adam, you need to stand up for yourself. You should tell the boss.
I can't. I don't want to rock the boat.
Ooh, nice idiom. Rock the boat.
Imagine a small boat on a lake. If you stand up and rock it, everyone might fall in. It means to cause trouble or disrupt the status quo. I like to keep things peaceful.
You are such a chicken.
I am not a chicken. I am diplomatic. Anyway, yesterday it got so bad that at 4:30 p.m. I just couldn't take it anymore.
What did you do? Did you flip a table?
No. I closed my laptop, I put on my coat, and I said, I'm gonna call it a day.
Yes, the best phrase in the world.
To call it a day, it means to stop working. We are done. Finish. Finito.
I use that phrase even when I haven't done any work.
I know you do.
I wake up, brush my teeth, and say, well, that was hard. Time to call it a day.
That is not how it works. You have to actually do something first.
Okay, Adam, we have talked a lot. We have complained a lot.
We have.
But did the listeners actually learn anything? Or were they just listening to us whine?
Let's find out. It is time for the pressure cooker.
Ugh, no, I didn't study for this.
I am going to throw a situation at you, Hannah. You have to respond instantly using one of the phrases we learned today. Listeners, you try to be Hannah. Are you ready?
I was born ready. Let's go.
Situation 1. You walked 10 miles today. How do you feel?
I'm beat.
Correct. Situation 2. You met a guy, he was rude, and he smelled like old cheese.
Red flag. Major red flag.
Correct. Situation 3. You want to ask your boss for a quick update on a project.
I want to, touch base?
Yes. Situation 4. Your friend is in a bad mood and snapping at everyone.
They got up on the wrong side of the bed.
Nice. Situation 5. You are on a date and the bill arrives. You want to pay 50-50.
Let's go Dutch.
Situation 6. You are tired of this quiz. You want to go home.
Let's call it a day.
She did it!
Whew. My heart is racing. I need another caffeine fix.
Please no more coffee for you.
All right, guys, that is it for day 1. We survived.
We did. Now, here is your homework. Yes, I am giving homework.
Boo.
Your homework is to pick one phrase from today, just one, and use it in a conversation. Or leave a comment below telling us about a time you dodged the bullet.
Ooh, I want to read those stories. Please tell us your bad date stories so I feel better about my life.
Join us tomorrow for day 2. We are going to the airport.
Travel English. I love it. I'm going to pack my bags.
You don't actually have to go anywhere, Hannah. It's a podcast.
I'm going to pack anyway. Catch you later, Adam.
See ya. Thanks for listening to the English Playground.